Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. And as we have been discussing in our previous videos, the DXY is flying, DXY is heading towards the sky, and yes, we can see on the chart. Due to the flying nature of DXY, we saw heavy selling on almost all the USD pairs on Friday. DXY at last closed at 113.02, and as we have discussed previously, that right now we do not have any resistance on the chart of DXY. There is no resistance on the chart of DXY, and the next proper big resistance on DXY is at 120. If DXY is heading towards 120, then to be honest, I don't know what will happen to Euro USD or GBP USD, but things will be very bad. Okay, right now DXY, US dollar currency index, is extremely bullish, so you should plan your trades accordingly. If you're standing against the trend of the market, keep in mind that you are violating the most important rule of the market, that is trend. Trend is your friend and you are not following your friend right now. Okay, so please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Please protect your capital. Okay, so let's try to understand the levels for Monday. So one thing I would like to add here, that is on Monday, if DXY shows some red candles, do not consider it as a trend reversal, because after this kind of an up move, there will be corrections in the market. Okay, there will be some corrections in the market, and those corrections are important because market wants to go higher. Never forget that no market in the world, okay, goes up in a straight line or goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. Okay, zigzag pattern. So DXY is also following the same pattern only. So if it comes down on Monday, then it will be coming down, because so that it can go higher again. And please do not forget that. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. Euro USD sadly closed at 0.9686. This is the last traded price of Euro USD. And if you're still holding buy position on the chart of Euro USD, then my dear friend, please do not do that. So on Monday after the market opening, okay, listen to me carefully. On Monday after the market opening, if Euro USD starts going up from here, if you want to take a buy position, that's your personal opinion, but personally I'll request everyone to avoid. Okay, because in this type of market condition, it's better to avoid any buy position. Okay, because trend is towards the downside. If 100 traders are trading in this market, then at least 80% traders are on the sell side, and in this market situation, if you're not following the trend of the market, then you are simply gambling with your capital. Okay. So on Monday, if market goes up, then you need to observe the market around 0.9755 to 0.9765. This is the first resistance for the market. This level. Why we're considering this level? Because of Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Till here, whatever we have been discussing, okay, with proper logic, okay, our levels have been working fine. So please listen to me carefully. So around 0.9755 to 0.9765, we have got Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if market goes up on Monday, then market will face this level as the first resistance first. So if market reverses from here, if you see that market is unable to cross this level, okay, market is struggling, and at the same time DXY is also showing green candles, then you get a confirmation that okay, DXY is also going up, Euro USD is going down again, because sell on rise. Sell on rise is the best trading strategy. So you can take a sell position at 0.9755, 0.9760 level. But in case the upside continues, okay, then the most important resistance in this chart right now is 0.9800. This is the most important resistance on the chart of Euro USD right now, because previously this level tried to act as support. And on the same level we also have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So if we combine both the factors, then if market goes up also, then 0.9800 will act as a big resistance for the market, and there's a high chance that under normal circumstances, okay, market will face some trouble and market will be reversing. If you see that market is reversing from 0.9800, market showing price rejection from above, shooting star pattern, bearish pin bar pattern, then you get a confirmation that okay, sellers are still present at 0.9800, and you can click on the sell button. Okay, so this is the strategy you need to follow if market goes up on Monday after the market opening. 0.9800 and 0.9755. Okay, these two are the levels, but keep in mind this level 0.9800 is much more reliable. Okay, so on the other hand, if market goes down, if you see market going down, the selling pressure continuing on Euro USD, in that case you can take a sell position below 0.9660. You can take a sell position around this level. If you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you made a good money, because I have received many emails that you all are doing pretty well. Okay, and really it's very overwhelming. So thank you so much for all the love and support. Okay, anyways, if market breaks this particular level is 0.9660, you must be very careful, because market has already witnessed heavy selling, and after going down, okay, after going down a while, market may go up a little as well for some recovery. That's why sell on rise is considered as the best trading strategy. Okay, but in case if you see the market is going down again, forming big red candles, with proper risk management you can take a sell position. Okay, with proper risk management you can take a sell position. And if you're confused about the stop loss you need to use, okay, you can simply use the volatility index, or you can also use the indicator known as ATR, okay, to find out the proper stop loss in the market. Okay, if you're not sure, then obviously I'll be bringing some videos in the future, okay, how to determine the stop loss using these indicators and tools. Anyways, if market breaks this particular level here, with proper risk management you can take a sell position, but please be careful, because already market has witnessed heavy selling and market may go for some recovery as well. So if market breaks it, okay, then just observe the market. If you see the market is breaking the last level of 0.9660 with big red candle, then only take a sell position. If you see that market is below this level but the size of the candles are not good enough, market is forming dojis, spinning tops, in that case you can avoid also, because during the first half of Monday, usually, okay, not always, but usually we see less volatility in the market. So please be careful. During the second half, during the US session, there may be some volatility and you can trade accordingly, but during the first half you must be careful. Okay, so this is a simple strategy that you can follow for Euro USD, but keep in mind no strategy is perfect. My analysis can be wrong as well. Please follow proper risk management, do your position size calculation, okay, properly, and most important, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.